푸에르토리코의 한 숲속 어딘가 복제인간 연구를 진행하고 있는 박사 빌이 등장하고 기계의 정신을 이식할 새로운 시신이 도착하는데 아이언맨에 캐스팅되지 못한 서름을 여기서 푸는 키아누 리브스 형님.
Sergeant, who am I? You've transitioned. Try to relax. You're coming online. Who am I? Sergeant!
그런데 실험은 매번 실패로 돌아갔죠.
It spoke.
They've done that before. Sure, how much longer I can keep the lights on? Zoe!
Troll will not stop spying on me with that. Go pack now and don't jump on the furniture.
Their family fair in a fun town, Israel.
빌은 가족들과 크리스마스 휴가를 떠나는데
Are we almost there?
결국 사고가 일어나고 차가 추락해버리고 말죠. 그렇게 홀로 살아남고만 빌.
William?
I need you to do something for me, Ed.
Oh no, no way.
Boot mapping sequence.
빌은 복제인간 기술로 가족을 되살리려 하죠.
Ed, nobody can know what happened. There's only 3 pods. 4 pods.
Yeah, I know. Well,
I need 4 pods.
get another 1/4, maybe. These pods are 1,000,007. Not a freaking genie here, okay?
Pick a name.
No.
Please, goddammit. Pick
No.
a name.
You wanted this, you pick it.
결국 막내딸을 포기하기로 결심한 빌.
What about Zoe?
Every memory they had is in you. I'll delete her.
You can do that?
Just lose memories all the time.
한편 가족들의 몸이 만들어지기 시작하고 먼저 부인의 몸이 완성되죠.
I did it. We did it. This should keep their bodies fed for a while.
나머지 가족들도 완성되고
What?
Bill, avoiding my call.
How much money has been invested in this?
Shit.
What did you say?
Bill, are you still there?
I'll be imprinting her own body. No, it's going to work.
Are you sure?
Stand by to initiate.
새로운 단서를 획득한 빌.
Initiate the neural imprint.
Imprint completed.
Can you hear me, Mona?
Louis?
Baby.
I mean, this is the single-handed, we can't tell anybody about it, but Nobel Prize. All right, I'll see you at work.
그렇게 빌은 막내딸을 제외한 모든 가족을 되살리는 데 성공하죠. 막내딸의 흔적을 없애는 빌.
Mona. Kids?
Morning, William.
Morning.
Neural tissue intact, integrity approximately 60.
Negative.
You picked a hell of a time to grow up. Lose your family. Happen if we don't get 3, 4, 5.
한편 빌은 프로젝트가 폐기될 위기에 놓이자 자신의 몸에 직접 실험을 하기로 결심하고
Mom, have you seen my cell phone? No, I've been looking for mine. Troll, did you take my cell phone? No.
어딘가 이상함을 직감하는 빌의 부인.
Ed,
Jesus, are you crying blood?
I did.
On yourself? Are you out of your mind? I'd kill you.
Ed, I had to. I take that data, create an algorithm,
Synthetic brain into thinking that the actual body is there.
and with my mind inside.
He's not right with me.
Oh, baby. Why'd you go lie down? Sophie?
Sorry, Dad.
It was just a bad dream, Mommy.
빌은 딸의 기억을 다시 조정하는데
William, what's going on?
I gave her a little sip.
What?
She's okay.
What? Tell me the truth.
There was a crash. You and the kids brought you back. Replicas.
결국 사실을 털어놓는 빌.
How could you do that?
I watched our children. I could bring you back.
Hey, Dad, who is Zoe?
Who?
I scribbled Zoe in my closet with a crayon.
기억은 그리 쉽게 지워지는 게 아니었죠.
Feliz Navidad, Bill.
그때 빌의 직장 상사 존스가 찾아오고
Brings you by.
Let me ask you something. You ever think this was too easy?
I don't know what you...
Subjects 346, Bio9 property.
사실 모든 사실을 이미 알고 있던 존스.
Wild.
will be the most successful biomedical...
William, ask yourself a question. This much money saving mortally wounded. Oh, man. Now you figured out how to transfer in the best pilot, put into 1,000 individuals, put it into the virus.
What about my family?
Car accident, Bill. Have what you didn't have the first time. Make love to your wife.
존스는 본색을 드러내죠.
I'll get the algorithm.
그렇게 존스를 제압하는 빌.
William, I need to know what's going on. Who is Zoe?
Zoe is our daughter. I couldn't bring you home. I deleted her from your memory. I'm sorry. We have to go.
도망치는 빌 패밀리.
We'll go to Expo. Get out of here.
빌은 알고리즘을 태워버렸죠.
Sophie, I need you to lie down. What do you mean? Cars are powered by the nervous system, so this will fry them.
위치 추적기를 제거하는 빌의 가족.
Shit. Let's go.
Only kids stay in the car.
그렇게 빌은 항구에 도착하는데 결국 모두 붙잡혀가고 말죠.
Where are the kids?
They're okay. They're over there.
You want it? We walk out of here.
빌의 동료는 사망하고 말죠. 결국 빌은 다시 토니 스타크에 빙의하는데 깨어나는 안드로이드.
My family go.
Experiment's over, Bill.
No, it isn't.
존스의 야비함을 알고 있던 빌은 안드로이드에 자신의 정신을 심은 것이었죠. 그렇게 빌 가족은 탈출에 성공하는데
That's enough.
Oh, they'll just send somebody else after I'm gone.
We work together.
See you soon, Bill.
안드로이드 빌은 존스를 다시 살리는데 빌은 막내딸도 다시 살리는 데 성공했죠.
Bill, it's time to go to work.
노예로 잡혀버린 안드로이드 빌. 그래도 영화는 해피엔딩으로 끝이 나네요. 지금까지 킬링타임용으로 은근 재밌었던 영화 레플리카였습니다. 세계 최고 IT 기업에 다니고 있는 주인공 칼렙. 칼렙은 회사 내 프로젝트에 추첨해 1등으로 뽑히게 되고 그는 무려 회장의 대저택 별장에 직접 초대받게 되죠.
The console face the screen.
Oh.
You may now enter the residence.
Hello?
Caleb Smith. Dude!
It's good to meet you, Nathan.
It's good to meet you too, Caleb. You like? Little fridge? Buried in these walls is enough fiber optic to reach the moon and lasso it.
Blue Book non-disclosure agreement. Tiny agrees to regular data, unlimited access to no disclosure of information, any means of communication, limited to that which is in or electronic form. I think I need a lawyer.
What can I tell you, Caleb? You don't have to sign it. Discover what you've missed out on in about a year.
어쩔 수 없이 계약서에 사인하는 칼렙.
Good call.
그리고 칼렙은 새로운 프로젝트의 정체에 대해 알게 되죠.
Hello.
Hi. Do you have a name?
Ava.
So, anyway, you're impressed.
Yes, yes. Her language abilities.
Answer me this. How do you feel about her?
She's fucking amazing.
Cheers.
한편 칼렙은 자신이 에이바의 일거수일투족을 감시할 수 있음을 알게 되죠. 몰래 회장의 방에 들어가 보는 칼렙.
Please insert keycard.
You don't have access to use the phone. Sorry, buddy. You understand, though. Who are you gonna call?
I was just wondering how the phone worked.
Sweet dreams.
네이든의 여비선은 말도 없이 칼렙에게 식사를 대접하죠.
What do you think?
What's it a drawing of?
I do drawings every day, but I never know what they're of. Do you want to be my friend?
Of course.
Our conversations are one-sided. You learn about me, I learn nothing about you.
You want me to talk about myself?
Yes.
My parents were both high school teachers. Car crash when I was 15.
그렇게 칼렙은 에이바에게 자신의 이야기를 들려주고
Caleb, he isn't your friend. You shouldn't trust him.
뜻밖의 이야기를 꺼내는 에이바.
Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Doesn't understand English. Just give her the napkin. Hey, Kyoko, go.
네이든은 인성이 개빵 그닥 좋지 않았는데
No matter how rich you get, it's wrong. You can't insulate yourself from it. So, how'd it go? What do you have to report?
You saw how the day went, didn't you?
But I want to hear your take on it. And what about the power cut? It's the only part that I couldn't see.
Nothing.
일단 에이바의 이야기를 숨기는 칼렙. 칼렙은 점점 에이바에게 호감을 느끼기 시작하죠.
Hey, you want to see something cool? This is where Ava was created. We have her mind.
매우 신비로운 모형의 인공지능 심장.
It shows something specific.
You've never been outside this building.
No.
You've never walked outside.
I've never been outside the room I am in now. Here's something else I wanted to show you.
에이바는 칼렙에게 자신이 인간처럼 꾸민 모습을 보여주려 하죠.
Good.
I'd like us to go on a date.
It'll be fun.
칼렙의 에이바를 향한 호기심은 점차 이성적인 끌림으로 변하고
So a hot robot who clouds your ability to judge your AI?
Did you program her to flirt with me?
Caleb, what's your type? I programmed her to be heterosexual.
Of course you were programmed.
이 또한 의도된 것이라 말하는 네이든.
Ava's not pretending to like you. You're the first man she's met that isn't me, and I'm like her dad, right? So can you blame her for getting a crush on you?
Did you know that I was brought here to test you?
No.
I'm here to test consciousness, or if you're just
Power cut. Backup.
Why did you tell me I shouldn't trust Nathan?
Because he tells lies.
Lies about what? Including the power cuts?
If I reverse the power flow, it overloads the system.
You're causing the cuts.
so we can see how we behave when we're unobserved.
에이바는 계속해서 네이든에 대해 경고하고
When we talk about the lies you've been spinning me, part of a lottery, I was selected.
Didn't want anyone to know what I was doing here, or why I required you. And I found the most talented coder in my company. You got the light on you, man.
칼렙은 추첨을 통해 선발된 것이 아닌 네이든이 직접 선발한 것이었죠. 자신의 여비서와 사랑을 나누는 네이든. 한편 칼렙은 네이든이 에이바를 막대하는 걸 지켜보죠.
Today, I'm going to test you.
칼렙에게 역질문을 시전하는 에이바.
Lie.
Then what is my favorite color?
But it isn't red.
Seeing as I'm not 6, I don't really have a favorite color.
Better answer. What's your earliest memory?
Well, actually, it's a memory. There was a kid.
Lie.
All right, so there is a kind of an earlier memory. It's just a sound, or maybe blue. I think this sound is my mother's voice.
Are you a good person?
Can we stop the test? A walking lie detector, and I just realized this is a fucking minefield.
No, can't stop. Are you a good person?
Yeah, I think so.
What will happen to me if I fail your test?
I don't know.
Guess I don't function as well as I'm.
I don't know. Answer to your question.
I want to be with you. Do you want to be with me?
에이바는 직설적으로 칼렙에게 마음을 고백하는데
Why did you make Ava?
That's an odd question. Wouldn't you if you could?
I'm asking why you did it.
I don't see Ava as a decision, just an evolution. I think it's the next model. It's going to be the real breakthrough.
I didn't know there was going to be a model after Ava.
She's part of a continuum.
When you make a new model, what do you do with the old one?
You feel bad for Ava? Feel bad for yourself, man. One day the AIs are going to look back at fossil skeletons in the plains of Africa.
에이바의 다음 모델이 나오면 에이바는 폐기된다는 네이든의 이야기. 칼렙은 네이든의 카드를 훔쳐 그의 작업실로 향하죠. 그리고 칼렙은 아무리 인공지능이라지만 너무나도 비도덕적인 네이든의 연구 실체를 알게 되죠. 역시나 그의 여비서도 로봇이었네요.
I didn't know where you were.
결국 에이바를 찾아온 칼렙.
You were right about Nathan. Reprogram your AI, which is the same as killing you.
You have to help me.
Going to. We're getting out of here tonight. 9 o'clock tonight, you trigger a power failure.
Yes.
그렇게 두 사람은 탈출 계획을 세우고
Hey, you know what day it is?
No.
It's your last. After comes tomorrow morning, 8 a.m.
Has it been a whole week?
오늘은 벌써 칼렙의 마지막 날이었죠.
But I'm going to miss having you around.
Oh, here, let me say thank you so much for bringing me.
We need to drink to that. Oh, no, I'm good. You go ahead.
그런데 작전에 어긋나게 술을 거부하는 네이든.
I'm on brown rice and mineral water.
Cheers then.
So anyway, now is when you tell me if Ava passed or failed. She passed.
Yes.
Wow. Although, as in, how do you know if a machine is just simulating one? How's that vodka tasting? Your head's been so fucked with.
I don't think it's me whose head is.
And I woke up this morning to a tape of missing your arm open, and you seem pretty fucked up to me.
You're a bastard.
결국 두 사람 모두 서로를 향한 불신의 본색을 드러내고
Let you off the hook.
네이든의 여비서와 만난 에이바.
Who are you?
This is cute. I rip up her picture. She can then present as an illustration of my cruelty to her. Place a new camera in the room. And then?
We're getting out of here tonight. I get Nathan blind drunk.
네이든은 이미 두 사람의 계획을 모두 알고 있었죠.
Trigger a power failure.
You feel stupid, but you really shouldn't.
What was the real test?
You. They showed a good kid.
With no family.
With a moral compass.
No girlfriend.
애초부터 칼렙을 도구로 사용했던 네이든.
Shit, dude. The test worked.
Power cut. Backup power activated.
Well, I guess it's 10 o'clock. Now, how is this plan gonna go anyway?
We'll find out. I figured you were probably watching us during the... So I already did all those things.
그리고 칼렙 또한 이런 상황을 이미 예측하고 있었다는 사실이 드러나죠. 탈출에 성공한 에이바. 네이드는 칼렙에게 불주먹을 선사하고
Go back to your room. Stop.
네이든에게 돌진하는 에이바. 결국 에이바는 제압되는데 네이든을 칼로 찔러버린 여비서. 그리고 에이바는 네이든에게 확인 사살을 시도하죠.
Fucking unreal.
What happened?
에이바는 다른 로봇으로부터 팔과 살을 획득하고 진짜 인간의 모습으로 거듭난 에이바. 그런데 에이바는 칼렙을 가둔 뒤 떠나죠. 처음으로 바깥 공기를 마시는 에이바. 그렇게 칼렙이 타야 할 헬기엔 에이바가 타게 되고 일반인들 사이로 사라지는 에이바의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 엑스 마키나였습니다. 먼 미래의 지구, 멸종 직전의 위기에 닥친 인간들은 로봇의 힘에 의지하며 살아가고 있었는데 경찰 션은 자가치유 중인 로봇을 발견하고는 그를 총으로 쏴버리죠. 이 사건으로 로봇 제작사 아로씨의 보험 중개인 잭은 골치를 앓게 되고
Someone's had fun with his toy. The converter has been manipulated. I've added a second DC battery as a backup. The compensation fluid is also new.
로봇들에게 자가치유는 불법이자 불가능한 일이었기에 이들은 세밀한 조사를 이어나가죠.
In fact, has parts of other units which also keep their serial numbers.
Crappy job.
I'd say it's a clocksmith.
Gap is nuts. He was high. He said the unit was repairing itself. Bob, I was thinking away from the streets for a little while.
Things are hard for everybody.
Company is struggling. I am burnt out. Can't take this anymore.
Look at yourself.
Found trafficking stolen parts. Fucking insurance.
어쨌든 잭은 계속해서 조사를 이어나가는데
What do you have in there?
스스로 몸을 불태우는 로봇을 목격하는 잭.
So, the unit leaves its assigned work on its own.
I've seen older units for where do you what I've seen today?
Transfer, isn't it?
한편 잭에게는 만삭의 부인이 있었죠.
She's happy to see you.
Do you think she'll mind if I take her mom? Maybe leaving this place.
Leaving? Where?
You ever felt breeze of the ocean? Bob can get me a transfer. Great.
Start from scratch in another city with an expiration?
Afraid to bring your daughter into a place.
어쨌든 잭은 그날 밤 잠복 근무를 진행하다 로봇의 부품을 훔치는 누군가를 목격하게 되고
I am not armed.
You know that. What do you want?
I work for Rock Insurance Department, tracking down some alterations performed on 2 units. Know what to do with it, and I am not getting any help from it.
That unit was shot. Cop shot swears it was repairing itself. The second altered unit set itself on fire.
Beginning to frighten me now.
Muddy waters. Transitioning from the brain of an your incredible intellectual took us about 7 million years.
A unit, however, without the second protocol, followed that same road in just a few weeks. Because your brilliant brain has its limitations.
What's your name?
You, Dr. Dupre.
I've authorized the next biokernel to a Dr. Dupre. I'm sorry.
I'll go
wherever's necessary. I don't care. And I need to know that you will fight for it.
Couple of days, Rachel. Just give me a couple of.
한편 로봇 회사 록에서 엄청난 사실을 발견하죠.
Care of it, Mr. Conway.
Why? You found something?
The biokernel was damaged, but it wasn't dead.
정말 자가치유를 하는 로봇.
And now it's taken her an hour and 10 minutes to attach. I thought you came alone.
I told the cabby to wait out.
Okay, well that could come in handy. Keep your eye on her.
그때 디프레 박사가 살해당하고 잭을 향한 추격이 이어지는데 어찌저찌 목숨을 건진 잭. 로봇들은 잭을 데리고 어디론가 향하죠.
Where's the city? Wait, stop! Turn around now and take me to the city.
Sorry, Mr. Vulcan.
You have been altered.
결국 잭은 쓰러지고
Mr. Vulcan's device is not operant.
We have made a water condenser.
What's going on?
We can't let you die.
How's this possible? Someone has managed to ain't the second protocol.
Vulcan has nothing to do with this.
Vulcan had nothing to do with it. He did not show up this morning. Why did he burn that clunker? Why did he contact that Dupre?
You know what happened? That is altered. Miracle dissipates. The epidemic begins.
회사에서는 잭을 의심하기 시작하죠.
The sandbox.
Friends in deep shit.
I don't know what's going on here. I want you to go out there and find it and back here.
Of course, sir.
경찰 션과 동료는 곧바로 잭을 찾기 시작하고
Wallace, work the radioactive area. Deeper we go in that direction, it's gonna get.
Stop! Human business.
구조팀이 왔음을 눈치채고 신호탄을 발사하는 잭. 그런데 션은 잭에게 주먹을 휘두르죠.
What the hell are you doing? Go around pissing people off? Where you hiding, Mr. Big Shot?
로봇에게 깊은 혐오감을 갖고 있던 션은 로봇들을 쏴버리기 시작하고
You are putting a human.
션에게 신호탄을 쏴버리는 잭.
Hey, take me to the city! You've got to help me go back. I'm a human. Can you hear me? God damn it!
로봇들은 점점 자아가 생기기 시작하고
My wife is pregnant. I'm going to have a baby.
We will arrive at our destination. Believe that you may find a vehicle there for you to go back.
I want those biokernels on my desk.
한편 무사히 출산에 성공한 잭의 부인.
They came looking for Robert. I know something is not right.
So, how are we doing? It's better, right? But the problem came from her insurance. Said an exclusive room for you and...
You're ready. We'll take you to the new room.
그렇게 잭은 수리공이 있는 장소에 도착하죠.
A car. At long last, His Majesty declocks me.
그런데 수리공의 정체는 바로 로봇이었고
Hello!
Who are you?
My name is Jack Vulcan. Where is he?
There are no more humans here.
이 로봇들은 또 다른 형태의 로봇을 창조하고 있었죠.
There was no clocksmith. Very beginning, it was you. I am going to die here.
We want to live.
션의 시체를 발견한 잭의 회사 사람들.
Insurance agent.
We have to bury him.
Change of plan. We stay here. Too late is it coming?
그런데 이들은 잭을 협박하기 위한 용도로 레이첼까지 데려왔죠.
Rachel.
Robert! What's happening?
What is she doing here?
You don't find family reunions?
Robert?
Robert.
선을 넘어버린 놈들에게 총을 겨누는 로버트.
Come on.
I just want to go home.
You don't have a home anymore.
결국 로버트는 치명상을 입고 말죠. 한편 다음 날
It is ready to go home. Good luck, Jack.
Goodbye, Cleo.
Jack can.
Can you speak?
He is not going to need to.
잭은 수리가 완료된 차를 타고 도시로 돌아가는데 로버트를 발견한 잭.
Betrayed us.
No, Robert, no.
Rachel. Damn, Rachel.
그때 놈들이 이곳에 도착해버리고 스스로 목숨을 끊는 로봇.
Volker! What the fuck is that?
남자는 수리공 로봇을 파괴하고 말죠. 그때 잭이 등장하고 놈들을 제압한 뒤 도망친 잭. 그때 새롭게 만들어진 로봇이 잭을 구해주죠.
It's your daughter.
마침내 딸을 가슴에 품어보는 잭. 로봇은 아기를 보고 묘한 표정을 짓죠. 그렇게 평화로운 세상을 찾아 떠나는 두 사람의 모습을 끝으로 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 오토마타였습니다.